Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to print an invoice in QuickBooks. Now, it's actually pretty easy. All you need to do is sign in to your account, and once you are logged in and you are in your QuickBooks dashboard, you don't need to hover here on your left-hand menu. You actually need to just click on Sales and Get Paid here on the center of your screen like so. That's going to bring you to the Sales and Get Paid overview. Now, under Quick Actions, there is an option that says invoice. So create invoices for your customers. All you need to do is click on this option right so, right? And if you have any invoices that are available, right? For example, this is an invoice that you have created, right? And we've opened it. All you need to do is click on print or download so that you can print it using your printer or download it and then print it somewhere else. So that is how you actually print an invoice on QuickBooks and QuickBooks Online, same thing. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.